Shoba Feed. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Castings and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. What I want to do is today.
What are we doing today?
I want to try something out. Remember, I want to envision Mack having VR6 5-bar rims. So I want to see how they will look. And there's one spare wheel here. So I want to put it on Mack and I just want to see how it will look. Let's do this. Guys, here's the rim. We are going to test it now because this one is playing music. We have to leave this place quickly. You know, oh my God. This is one healthy Vura rim. Oh, untouched. Untouched. Yo, I can already imagine my car with this rim. This wheel. It's gonna be very untouchable Vura. Let me start by putting it here. I'm not gonna like take out my wheel to put this one on. I'm just gonna put it here. Yo, taking it out. Oh wow. Oh, what guy is in? That's a whole lot of work. Auntie, why is it uneven here on the ground? Let me remove this type. Put it here, and turn this wheel. Que não tô aqui lagada. Que não tô aqui boromagada. Yeah, we're gonna better you train. Come on, man. Please stick, man. I want to see how you look. Oh, come on, man. Yeah. Let me. You. Guys. How I already see the vision. No, this car needs 5 bars. Ooh. Guys, 5 bars are the future. Yo, imagine this. This is a complete Vura. Why did I do what I did? I mean, like, I need it. So, guys, what you say with this? Look, I love it. Okay, let me take the 5 bars at the back there. so we can see how it will look with face var. They look from the back, now he kills. Now they look from the back. Guys, what should I do now? You see, I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. You know what I kill lagat. What should I do now? Guys, I'm looking for 5 bars. 5 bars. And fresh ones even. They look good. They sit on the sky. What did I expect? This wheel belongs here. It's at home. Hi. Let me return. We go and look for 5 bars now. Now I'm personally looking for 5 bars. The wheel chose the pothole way. I wasn't taking it to the pothole way, but the wheel chose the pothole way. When I come back, Katra must know I'm going to hit him this way. There's wheels. Who did this story to Nkupi? Irembula! Yumna pula! Bant. I mean, now we can go. Hey, what is the one like a million? Tell them I need to tune. Or more to us at 2 him. Show ground, yet I didn't see man. Color ni mana kirle ko post le barba uthulu sage khala baboni di short story ja mfano mongwe bo ikopolo bale jo ara jo tamang phela a tlotlela di story mo YouTube wena a o neng a o ke re go shooting what's happening? I'm over here. I don't know. Choose. Genitals. Utapile good. You're gonna go me. Damn. He just wants intercourse. Come on, Paul Zamutapa. Você ia contar para Bianca. Ish. Have a picture there. Kisha para rimia for. That's a yes, guys. Thank you. Polly, very good thing. Arva, Polly relax. Salwa relax. Bandi. Arva. Key. Arva, mana muthu salwa faka kule ya ka bane video. Arva. Arto ya ka ba fa.
Asa kwa le browse.
Motshere. Abona. Let's get dia suwe. Tsana ka mkhola. O ka ra o khoni na. Tsana ka mkhola, ska tsena street. Rage. Wala ka ship. Maro wena o kutsi. Wena o kutsi chu.
Yeah.
Uno bilaela, uno rena metse le motho wa bilaela. Ciao. Bo, Kit Kat, I get more than na. Wow, ska to claim. Wow, ska to claim. Wagwa. Moken dabu. Munabona, you know again, Naman. Mpiak. You know, we're going out in this Polo. So, on Kele, you get an well, I'm on your orato capi, Marana, you getting capi.
Mara, we're not kappa, we're not had leave.
I want to get Shalom. Going to I won't deal favor. I won't deal favor when I'm Melagam. Agua, I won't deal favor. Got to do Kapa go cap on yellow car right now. We have to go Louis. And then it's I want to know what you house. You wait. The wait. When it's raining, my baby boo, someone see ya, Nando Chamber and cook. Hey, I best picture out to me, look why I trend about you, and I'm careful. Kuna video ngwe khoma le kwa ya sechaba ka mokoleng ka ibya mo tumela phone ka video call ka re mvane ke tswela ka kwa ibile kwa yela yo tumela screenshot ile a remove video call ila a remove kwa so ya ba picture ya ba ka re nna ka tra no thagala ku thagale kwa ya ba rena retri. That was solely for his video call, not for the public to consume. And then now he nationalizes the picture, and I look like an addict. That's nobody. Arba. Buddy. My baby boo. Songon siya olalo mnalo temba ene ngapha every no my baby boo angazo skakatha ntuwe that's it. She's not been shikshiki level 8. What's going on? Oh, you go wanna go to